Are you a fan of fans like we are, folks? You know, we've done tool reviews in the past of this DeWalt Jobsite fan, and we did another tool review video of this Ryobi misting fan. But today, we have a new fan for you from Ryobi. Check this one out. So this right here is Ryobi's 4-inch clamp fan. Brand new, just came out, and only some of the Home Depot stores have it. Not all of them have it. But this could potentially be a game changer. And here's what it looks like outside of the box attached to a battery. Now this fan goes for $19.99, but let me warn you something about this. Look what it says on the package here. You can see it says here, special buy while supplies last. See right here? Special buy while supplies last. Okay, so this Ryobi 4-inch clamp fan is going for $19.99 right now in the stores, if you can even find it. We'll put a link to it down in the description for you because you're pretty much not going to find it in most stores. We wiped out our store with the last two there, and not every store is getting them, so that's part of the problem. And you know what, with Father's Day coming up, I think this would make a great Father's Day gift. So here's part of the game changer here. See how the fan has this built-in clip right here? So you can clip it onto a lot of things. Okay, so here's another great application for your Ryobi fan. You can clip it to your ladder. If you're doing some work in front of your ladder here, you can flip it there and then rotate the head around and it'll blow out in this direction here. Okay, so now you can also clip it onto dimensional lumber, 2x4, anything that's 2x. This will clip up to 1.5 inches. Now they sell this as a tool only. It comes in the package just like this. And those of you with other Ryobi tools will recognize that this is your standard battery fitting. So this is very stable. It balances on its own like that, very nice. And it will also plug right on top of a regular Ryobi battery, and it just form fits right on top perfectly like that. It won't wobble over on you or anything. See? You'd have to really push it. It's just perfectly balanced. Now Ryobi claims that you'll get 40 hours plus battery life on this fan with an asterisk and some fine print attached to it. And that fine print is that if you're using a 6 amp hour battery, you will get 40 hours of runtime. But even the 4 amp that I've got here should do pretty good. It's certainly enough to last you overnight if you want to put it by your bedside. Okay, so let's take a look at the multi-directional head. So it starts off like this, and you can point it almost all the way downward, or it will flip all the way back and rotate almost downward towards the back as well. So we'll put it back in the home position here. And then the head also rotates. It swivels around almost a little over 180 degrees from the front to the back. And then from the side, it goes a little bit over 90 degrees. So not quite all the way around, almost 270, but it should cover pretty much any area you need to get covered. Let's weigh our Ryobi fan, and it weighs in at 15.7 ounces. So this Ryobi fan doesn't even weigh 1 pound. In addition to the over 40 hours of runtime, Ryobi claims that this 4-inch clamp fan will give us CFM of over 180. Okay, so to give you an idea of what 180 CFM means for a fan like this, compare it to your bathroom exhaust fans. Most of our bathrooms, believe it or not, have really cheap fans in them that do about 70 to 100 CFM max. If you want more CFM than that, you have to go online to buy the bigger one. And those numbers all make sense for this fan anyway, because when you look at a bathroom fan, if you've ever taken one apart before up in the ceiling, their motors are about like this. They're basically 2 or 3 inch fans in there. So this is a 4-inch fan. So yeah, it makes sense that you would get significantly higher CFM. Now we're going to measure the wind speed coming off of this Ryobi fan using our digital anemometer. See what it measures. Looks like about 8 miles an hour or so, 9. Depending on where you put it on the stream and how close you put it. Yeah, I think I saw it peak in the 8s, the mid 8 miles per hour range. Okay, that was on high. Now let's do low. And on low, it looks like it drops down to around 5.8 or so. Well, as you can see, we put our Ryobi 4-inch clamp fan into several drop tests, and so far it looks like it held up. There's just a little bit of scuffing right here along the top. See, so you just see some basic scuffing right along here and along this edge and right here at the bottom of the clip. A little bit right along the back there. But does our Ryobi fan work still? Let's test it out. So we'll put it right on top of the battery there. And let's turn her on. Oh yeah, still blowing pretty good too. No rattles, nothing. I hope you're finding this video useful so far. And if you are, hey, please give us a thumbs up. And then as an added bonus, go check out the 2 videos we put for the tool reviews on these 2 fans here. So click on this thumbnail up here if you want to see the tool review video for this DeWalt Jobsite fan. And click on this thumbnail up here if you want to see the tool review video for the Ryobi misting fan. Thank you so much, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.